and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this train video effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste it. On the second one, go to Cutout and select Auto Cutout here. And then you can just simply select your video and you're just going to go to animation and you're going to select combo, I think. And you're just going to search for the train one, which is somewhere here. Okay, select the train to 1, and you can even adjust the speed and like the duration of it. And that is it. Basically, it's super simple. You can even freeze frame it, but I just prefer it like this. Like I meant you can like freeze frame the overlay, but I just chose for it not to be frozen, I guess. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!